for accepting us for our interviewing program for engineering technologies in society.
Thank you also for interviewing me on this purpose. Currently, I joined Intelligent Money Sdn Bhd as IT support engineer. I took the Communication Engineering Bachelor degrees in International Islamic University of Malaysia from 2008 until 2014. So we have like two different structure. Like first is foundation and then goes to the main degree course. In the foundation part, we learn everything about the from the physics, science, and biology, calculus, everything. And then the fundamental basic. I suppose all the engineer will have this basic knowledge first, and then only we go into the main part of my study, which is communication engineering. So in communication engineering, some of the course subject that I took is control system, digital signal processing, microwave, antenna, mostly related to telco industry. Actually, more related to telco industry and also IT industry. So actually, from there, I graduated in 2014, and I went to start the work as a network engineer for my first work. So in the network
company.
The company is called Logicalis Australia. So that one is like a network operating center that supports the clients in Australia remotely. Yeah. So from there, I apply the knowledge that I've learned from my study, mostly related to IP, call this the server IP, and mostly related to the control system part itself, right? So over there we maintain the network of the clients, and we manage their network and also during their outage time, everything. So the clients will not need to do anything, so we manage that for them. That's how it works. Basically, in my opinion, an engineer actually should have the willingness to learn new things and also have the ability to solve problems, because in industry-wise, problems can come at all the time, anytime, and at unexpected time. So an engineer should be ready to solve and rectify the problem, and also an engineer should be more willing to multitask. Multitask meaning to spread the work and also to solve the problem and to do lots of things more. Basically, my job scope is to provide the IT infrastructure for the office. We have 3 different countries, Malaysia, Philippines, and Indonesia, and also Thailand. So my main job scope is to provide the IT infrastructure for the entire office and across all the countries. Ethics actually is important, not just for the engineer. Actually, it's important for everyone. But as an engineer, ethics is actually something that we need to maintain moral values, so that we can like uphold our principle of like principle of giving our best for our work. And if we ignore our ethical part, then our work will become less contributing to the society. I give an example in my situation, my current work. Like for my work as an IT support engineer, I actually have the access to everything. I mean, because we manage the server for the company, the server contains like all of the data of the company. So we can actually look into the server and get everything related to the company, plus the financial position, the payroll of everyone.
Oh, everything.
Yes, everything. We can actually do that. So what restricts us from doing that is our ethical value, because we know that that is not supposed to. We are not supposed to have the file everything.
Okay.
We have the access to manage it only.
Have you ever accessed illegally?
Yeah.
Right.
Just in our server, we can actually dedicate the permission to certain people only to view. And as an IT engineer that manage the server, we actually have the access. So it's up to the person itself to know the restriction and boundary, not to go over it. So because if let's say we get the files, get the company financial everything, company, all the projects, everything, and then we pass it to certain vendor or certain third party client, and then the company will actually know we are the one and we have the access. And after that, and then it will become legal case, go to court, everything. And once we are guilty, then we are out from here. And also, in order for me to continue giving my best to the company as an engineer, so I have to make sure that the integrity of each work that I did, each work that I've done, must be maintained in terms of like work-wise, related to work-wise, like in terms of the software that the company uses, and the software must be at all times maintained to be not in violating the originality and the privacy of any society. And also in terms of the work, in terms of the infrastructure, all the equipment, everything must be managed and maintained all the times, and not just during the problem, during an issue or access. It should be managed all the times. Challenges in terms of my work.
Yes.
So, in terms of my work as an engineer in my company, the most challenging things is managing the work timeline. So at this, most of the time, not most of the time, some of the time, all of the work coming at the same time. So in order for me to manage it properly, we need to actually like prioritize which one is most important. But at the same time also, we must manage the other things as well. So that's why I said multitasking is one of the main criteria that an engineer should have actually.
maybe from the previously.
So I just mentioned about my current company. So for my current company, I think the best achievement is I managed the infrastructure for the call center. Because infrastructure, I mean everything from the server, the PBX, all the workstations, in terms of the routing, networking, everything. And for that, I believe it's an achievement for me. Also to copy the structure in Malaysia and apply it in the other countries as well. Okay, depending on the course, because engineering we have lots of course, some communication, biotech, mechanical. So when you are trying to complete your study, you should also think ahead what you want to do in the future. So basically, if you can have like a future planning, you can actually plan your study to properly integrate your study into the future planning. For example, if you want to straight go into the industry, so you can have proper planning during the study to avoid like when you are going to industry and you cannot cope with the industry.
Oh, you mean how our teamwork in our group? Okay. So I think that's all from us. Thank you for accepted us for this interview. And may I have your card number? Name card, so that I can publish in my videos as our project. Okay.
Sure.
Okay.
Very good luck also to you for in your current study, you and your teammates. Hopefully everything will go well and we will manage to achieve what your dream is.
Alright. Alright. Thank you.
Okay.